So I found these iron-on fabric sheets from Walmart. They came 6 in a pack, and there were 2 of the black and white buffalo plaid. Then I took this bunny that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just traced it on the back side of the iron-on. And then I cut my shape out. Now, I did get these iron-on sheets around Christmas time from Walmart, but I have found a similar pack on Amazon. Now, once that was cut out, I took my second sheet and I just flipped the bunny over and traced a second one. So now I have 2 bunny cutouts. Now, using this pillow canvas cover, it's a 12 by 20. I got this from Hobby Lobby for about $3. I put a piece of cardboard on the inside, and I took my first bunny and put it on the left side of my pillow. And then using a cotton setting and a cotton cloth, I just ironed on the bunny. And then I took my second bunny, and once I found its placement, I did the same thing. There are instructions in the iron-on fabric sheets that tell you how long you should be keeping your iron on top of the cotton cloth for. Now, once I had both bunnies in place, I had these canvas flower embellishments that I glued onto the tail of the bunny. And then I found these iron-on patches from Hobby Lobby. And I took one and put it in between the 2 bunnies. The patch comes with some iron-on instructions. And you're going to have it on a cotton setting. And once you feel that's in place, you're going to flip it and iron on the inside quickly as well. I then found a 12 by 22 pillow insert from Hobby Lobby. I paid about $6 after the 40% off coupon. And I stuffed it inside the pillow cover. And there you go. Now you have this cute custom Easter pillow that you can display. And Hobby Lobby also had some square canvas pillow covers if you prefer a 16 by 16 instead. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget you could check out some of our other tutorials over on our YouTube. Have a great day.